Good morning, Center 2. Now that we know what pronouns are, that pronouns could be first person, second person, third persons, and pronouns could also show possession. Today we're going to learn how to match the pronouns with the noun. This is called Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement. We know what pronouns are. Agreement means that they have to match the antecedent, and antecedent is the noun that the pronoun replaced. So let's take a look at some examples here. Jane called her friend. Jane is the noun, and we need to make sure the pronoun that we use matches the noun Jane. Jane is the antecedent, and the pronoun her is the pronoun agreement. So, for example, I cannot say Jane called his friend. That would not match. Jane is a girl, so I have to use a feminine pronoun, right? And I have to make sure the pronoun that I use is singular because Jane is one person. I can't say Jane called them friend. That would not be correct. I have to make sure that Jane and her matches. Let's take a look at another example. John called his friend. The pronoun here, the noun here is John, and the pronoun that's agreeing is his. It's one pronoun, it's a singular pronoun, and it's matching the noun John. I can't say John called her friend. That would not be right. The pronouns would not be matching. So I will say John called his friend. And let's look at this example. It says the girls finished their job. Now we know that this is the noun here, and it's more than one. It's talking about more than one girls. So I cannot put the girls finished her job because there's more than one girl. I have to make sure that I put a pronoun that agrees with the noun here. It's plural, so it has to match that. I could say the girls finished their jobs or their job, and that makes it correct. So go ahead on the next slide. You're going to have to write it down in your language arts notebook. Choose the correct pronoun that matches the noun before it, and send a picture to me so that I can check it. Bye!